Hello watch lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel, we truly do unbox and survey budget watches. Furthermore, today I got another budget watch to do the unpackaging. This will be a generally quick video. In this video, I will show you another automatic mechanical watch that I purchased from AliExpress. In any case, before moving ahead, remember to push the subscribe button if you haven't already. It will assist the channel and I will be able to bring more budget watches to you. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Chenchi 948, which is a tribute to AP Royal Oak chronograph. The current watch is from the manufacturer named KUERST. The watch arrives in an exceptional dazzling orange box with the name KUERST 1986 printed on it, and without further delay, we should open the box. After opening the box, the first thing we can see is the watch. And apart from watch, there is nothing, no cleaning cloth, no warranty card, nothing. Let's quickly remove the watch from the plastic wrapper. This is the first look of the watch. The model number of this watch is KB8052. It is a dress watch with automatic self-winding watch movement. If I am guessing correctly, then I believe that the vibe of this watch has been propelled by Tissot Legacy T1184 3011 27100. This watch cost me around 27 Canadian dollars including shipping, and got it in 15 days after submitting the order. The blend of the white dial with a dark strap is outwardly engaging. If you want to purchase, then you can get this watch in dark dial as well. The case is polished and made of alloy. It is perfect and rich. The silver hands are hard to miss on the white dial. The date complication is at 3 o'clock, making it day-to-day wearable watch. The crown is adequately large to be held in the fingers. Kindly let me know in the comment section how this watch appears to you. About the measurements, as indicated on the website, the dial diameter of the watch is 42 mm and the lug-to-lug width is 20 mm. The watch is powered by an in-house watch movement. The watch accompanies 30-meter standard water resistance, which means it's a splash-proof. The case back is made of steel and it has a pressed-down case back. Let's observe how it looks on a wrist. And here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist. It's a nice looking dress watch. I will try to make a full review video on this watch after using it for a couple of days. Thank you for watching this PD unpackaging, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.